Ndakugeithia mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV na ngihoka wina thayo haria hothe uratwamukira meraho ya umuthi ngakunyita ugeni mitamburuko-ini wa Kiheo Kabiru tukorwo tugikumenyithia maria makinyire metha itu ya mohoro niye njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani na kimutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Vivian Wangici. Tukiambiriria ni ati kiama kia Pamoja African Alliance nikiguthitwo igutha na u ni thutha wa amemba a NEC guthama kuma kiama-ini kiu na kunyitanira na kiama kia ODM kaunti ya Kilifi na kunyita baru gavana Gideon Mung'aro na mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto magitongorio ni mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto ria kunina ciama nini na kunyitana na ciama nene cia gibururi ta UDA na kiama kia ODM.
Matarajio yetu na ile chama vile tulikuwa tumeadaiwa, tulikuwa tumefanya kuadaiwa kabisa, hayakutimilika. Tulikuwa tunaambiwa tukiwa na chama chetu tutajengewa barabara, tukiwa na chama chetu tutafanywa hivi. Lakini bwana gavana, mimi naona wao unatengeneza barabara zile zinazokuhusu pasipo na chama cha PA. Naona rais anatufanyia mambo makubwa hata affordable housing pasipo na chama cha PA. Aliyepewa wadhifa huko juu ambao sijui ni namba 4 amesinzia, hata hakuna mtoto mmoja analipia school fees gani. Sioni haja ya kwamba tuache vyama ambavyo ni vyama vya kitaifa ambavyo vyama vimeleta makabila yote pamoja. Yes. Tuende na kachama ka kijijini ambako wako kachama kanaleta uhasama na ukabila mwingi ndani ya Kilifi County. Na ujumbe natuma kwa rais. Bwana rais, kama unanisikiza, tuko katika broad based government. Yeah. Na chama ni ngapi? Tuko na UDA na ODM. Ndivyo sivyo? Hivi vyama dogo dogo vya vijijini regional parties vunjilia mbali kuanzia sasa. Maana vinatuletea ukabila. Viongozi wa kutuletea maendeleo. Tunataka viongozi wa kuleta maendeleo kama vile Gideon Mung'aro analeta maendeleo. Tunataka viongozi wa kuleta maendeleo kama vile rais analeta maendeleo.
Wewe mimi acheni niwaambie jamii. Mimi najua watu ndugu zangu na wanasiasa wengine wananipangia sana. Lakini mkiona waambieni leo sitaongea mengi. Nina mengi sana ya kuongea mimi kuhusu Kilifi. Pale nilipata na pale imefika. Lakini leo si siku yake. Leo nilikuwa napokea viongozi wa PA. Lakini hivi karibuni mtanisikiza kwa makini sana. Nitawaweka mahali kwao hawa watu wote hawa napiga mdomo wao. Kwa sababu nawajua vizuri sana.
Na tore oisho shigi utetini ati mubunge wa Jomvu Badi Twalib ni areganite na mĩario ya ati kambĩini cia kiama kia ODM rũgamĩrĩirwo ni kiama kia UDA. Twalib atariirie na kuga ati ciama icio cierĩ nicio cikoragwo ikirũgamĩrĩra nao kiama nikirũgamĩtie kĩo kiene. Oho nĩ orĩtie amemba kiama kiu gũtĩa mĩbango ya kiama kia ODM gũkũ mĩario ya thĩinĩ ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya ũheani wa basarĩ icigo-inĩ kia Jomvu kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha, mũtongoria ũcio augĩte kiama kia ODM itiamũkĩrĩte ũteithio o wothe kuma kũrĩ kiama kia UDA mũgarũ na ũrĩa mwandĩki mũnene wa kiama kiu Edwin Sifuna augĩte.
Sisi tunataka tuseme kwa kama ODM kampeni zetu hazija kuwa funded na UDA. UDA is an independent party na ODM is an independent party. Mpaka kufikia dakika ya leo tuna support Mheshimiwa Oburu Odinga kuwa ndio chairman wetu wa chama cha ODM. Na mimi nataka kusema kuwa chama kina structure. Kama vile Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa akisema watu waheshimu structure, pia watu ni muhimu waheshimu structure. Sisi hatuwezi maneno ya kujibizana ya pesa nane. Chama cha ODM ni chama kikubwa na chama cha ODM chaelekea kwenye kufanya mazungumzo kama alivyosema Mheshimiwa Oburu na UDA, lakini yale mambo yatafika kule wakati utakaokuwa mwafaka kufika kule. Mimi nikiwa mwanasiasa, kitu ambacho naamini, mazungumzo yote ya kisiasa ukitaka kukaa nayo kwenye meza, kwanza kabla hujafanya mazungumzo, strengthen your party. Kwa hivyo sisi kitu yetu muhimu ambao tutataka kutokuwa nayo ni kwa kuwa chama cha ODM tutaki strengthen na kuona kuwa chama chetu cha ODM tutaweza kufanya kazi sote tukiwa timu moja na kuonesha kama sisi tutakuwa na nguvu. tukienda as a weak lot ya kuonesha kuwa sisi hatujaunganisha chama kukifanya kikawa strong, ina maana mazungumzo yetu kule tutakuwa short changed. Kwa hivyo jambo la muhimu hivi sasa ni muhimu kuona kuwa tunataka tunde mbio. Wengi wanaulia maneno NDC, wasidhani kwa NDC itafika na itakwisha, lakini chama kitaendelea, na katika yale yatakayoendelea mbele ni kumaanisha kuwa tunataka tuanzishe mchakato wa kuvuta wafuasi kwa wingi sana wa ODM ili kuona kuwa tutakwenda kama chama.
Tugetigana na icio tukurora riboti ingi na kuria bodi ya cukari kaunti-ini ya Siaya ni ikitie ritana kuria arimi aigwa gwikirira urimi-ini ucio meharĩrĩria-inĩ ma kambuni ingĩ ithatu na iria ikwambĩrĩrio kaunti-inĩ iyo. Akiaria ari Sogomere, muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi iyo Engineer Nicholas Gumbo ni oritie arimi aya gwikirira makiria, akiuga ati gutari na urimi wa igwa sector ino ndĩngĩthie na mbere. Oho arimi aya ni makoretwo magithomithio njĩra cia kĩrĩu cia urimi ari hamwe na uthimi wa tĩri na uhuthiri wa fertilizer iria yagĩrĩire.
My name is Engineer Nicholas Gumbo. I'm the chairman of the Kenya Sugar Board. We are here as the Kenya Sugar Board to do farmer sensitization for sugarcane farmers from North and Siaya. As you know, one of the mandates of the Kenya Sugar Board is to capacitate the farmer, because we cannot have mills if we don't have cane, and we cannot have cane if we don't have farmers. So the starting point of our sugar industry has to go down to the farm, and we are conscious and aware of the fact that cane is grown, sugar is grown in the farm, sugar is made in the farms. The factories merely separate the sugar from the fiber. So we are here, and the response has been good. There are very many farmers who are coming from this region. One of the largest farmers actually has over 600 acres of cane, and we want more and more cane plant farms to come into operation. We have educated them on how they can get cheap loans to grow the cane, because cane growing is not a very cheap exercise. Where can get information on early maturing varieties, early maturing disease-resistant and high sucrose content varieties. We have sensitized them on what we are doing to improve the roads within the farms, and we have generally sensitized them on all the aspects of the entire ecosystem of cane growing and good plant husbandry, including the need for them to do soil testing before they apply fertilizers, because some of our soils are alkaline, some are acidic. It would not make sense if you're applying acidic fertilizer in acidic farms. That would need an alkaline fertilizer. So all that information we have given them, and the reception is very good, because as you know, 3 sugarcane factories are coming up here in Siaya, and we are expecting that Siaya is in central zone. All our farmers by law will be required to be supplying their cane to the factories in Siaya. So we want them to be ready, want them to do intensive cane development so that they can take full advantage of these factories that have come up. We have got to be realistic and true to our people. I mean, in the dispensation where we are now as a community in the broad-based government, and there are no apologies about that. That is where our leader, the late Raila Odinga, left us, and that's where we'll remain. I've told them that even though that we did not, for example, Ugunja here, Ruto got less than 500 votes in Ugunja. In fact, it's just about 300 votes in the whole of Ugunja constituency. So very little. But even with that, Ugunja now has produced the energy minister. So we have seen the rewards of this guy. Even what I'm doing here is a reward from the Ruto government. I mean, this appointment came from the president, and our people are now benefiting from it.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati thirikari nene na area ya kaunti ya Mombatha ni igite na unyitaniri hari waki wa kiharo mwena ucio. Thirikari nene ni itarĩirie mibango ya waki ucio wa kiharo na area kiria kingikara andu 15,000 aritanjire mwe ya kwambatiria sekta ya mathako kaunti-ini iyo. Kwitukira unyitaniri uyu, thirikari nene na area ya kaunti ciugite ni gukugia na uhotekeku wa waki wa kiharo gia kĩrĩu na gia gutura na gukinyaniria tabarĩra nyingĩ cia mathako. Gavana wa kaunti yo Abdul Swamad Sherif Nasir na gĩikaro na mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya mathako Elijah Mwangi hamwe na atongoria angĩ nĩ metĩkanĩirie gũkorwo makĩgĩa na ũnyitanĩri na nĩguo gũkorwo makĩrĩkĩrĩria waki wa kĩharo kĩu gĩa Tononoka kĩrĩa kĩrĩ hakuhĩ na Buxton Point.
Hapa Mombasa hii ndio itakuwa ile stadium kubwa zaidi, maana zile zingine ambazo ziko kwa this side of the country ni 10,000, and our hope is that this one can be an alternative field for AFCON. and therefore we'll ask the contractor to ensure that he does his work within the time given, so that when we shall be reaching out to ACAF, we shall propose this one as one of the competition field. And of course, I'm happy that the governor is developing other stadiums which can be used as part of the training fields.
And we have agreed out of the spirit of cooperation and partnership, the county government will finish all liabilities with the contractor as of now, up to works that have been done and certificates that have been raised, and then thereafter hopefully the contractor will be able to sign with defense to be able to finish the stadium, and our hope ni tuwe tayari kabla AFCON. Kama mnavyofahamu pia county wenyewe tumeadvertise stadium ya Muhima na stadium pale Ziwani, na hiyo itafanywa na sisi wenyewe kama county, lakini tunaomba pia serikali kuu, tunataka tu partner na wao stadium ya Bububu.
And I can assure you, Governor, and the people of Mombasa, this stadium will be done under a year. This stadium is not only important to Mombasa, it's important to the entire country. It is the only low altitude main stadium we have. So, Governor and the people of Mombasa, this shall be done. Together with the county government and the sports ministry, we shall have a 15,000 seater stadium. It may not have the standard running track because of the configuration and because of the original design, but it will be ultra modern stadium with a canopy. It's done in a very unique manner, unlike other stadia across Kenya. This one, the design was quite unique, and we want to build on that unique architecture.
Na riboti yo kuma mwena wa Mombatha niwe gukorwo gitweka nyaga gwikiria ndugathihara ni tugucokereria tuthi na mbere na gukumenyithia.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ, ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email ito niyo info@kiheotv.co.ke. Tomugate wiki ũngĩtũria mũndũ muoyo, ĩndĩ kiugo kiumĩte kanua-inĩ ka Jehova nĩ gĩtũragia mũndũ muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, hallelujah.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarĩra-inĩ ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa hata kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandĩko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwĩhoko mũtũrĩre-inĩ. Neno la uzima nĩ tũgie karĩko.
Of God, I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials, razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system, iria cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels, na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya remote oguo. Wira ni muingi twa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Duka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD, macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Duka yao yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Duka yao ĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kemuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Eni nikigoco kimurutio
nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki.
Nyitanagĩra na niĩ MC John wa Gĩthomo and the band.
Nĩguo ndĩinaga haleluya kĩhindĩra mũthamaki.
Ririkana ni o mũthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginya thaa 5 cia ũtukũ.
Mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩũmaga, mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩũmaga, mbeũ ya Ngai ndĩcindagwo nĩyo, mbeũ ya Ngai ĩtũũragio no Ngai.
Na ningĩ no tũrũmĩrĩre nenda-inĩ citũ Kĩheo TV na yakwa kĩũmbe John wa Gĩthomo Official.
Nĩguo ndĩinaga kĩhindĩra mũthamaki ũrĩa ũnyenda mũno.
wathi wakũra wongagĩrĩrwo ngĩ. Tabarĩra ya kũinĩkĩrĩria o ĩrĩa gũkinyagira mũthenya wa Jumamothi rĩu nĩ ũkĩte na riri mwerũ. Tabarĩra-inĩ ĩno ya kũinĩkĩrĩria tũrĩkũrehagĩra bandi all the way kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia ũtukũ nginyagia thaa 6 ũtukũ gatagatĩ mũthenya wa Jumamothi, ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩnjũ nĩũratwamũkĩra we wĩ hau mũciĩ Ngai witũ arokũrathima we mũroreri wa Kĩheo TV angĩkorwo nĩguo nĩ mbata yetoro.
Mũtabania ti ũngĩ nĩ MC Kĩhehenji wa Gĩtawa.
Rĩrĩa tũremagwo marĩa tũremetwo ũguo twagĩtũteithia rĩu nĩtũhotaga kũmeka tũhotithĩtio nĩ rĩĩtwa rĩa Jesũ.
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya ikinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathĩnĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo memerekia, hospitality management nĩguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nĩmo maũndũ megemainie na ũthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi cia nanja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa ya 6 kũrigania na TRM. No tũhũrĩre thimũ namba 0713000071 nĩyo 0701300071 kana no tucherere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
nĩ ũkũragira arigitani matiganĩte.
Mũrimũ wa kwambata thakame rĩ nĩ ũkoragwo na indo ũngĩtũma ũthiĩ na igũrũ, kaingĩ tũciĩtaga risk factor. Gũtikoragwo na gĩtũmi atĩ ũngiuga nĩ kĩndũ fulani atĩ gĩtũmaga pressure ĩno ĩthiĩ na igũrũ.
Wĩna itũmi cigana na nyingĩ na nĩtũgũciarĩrĩria, no nĩ kũrĩ na thĩna ũrĩa ũkaga nĩ ũndũ wa mũtumia kũremwo kana mũthuri kũremwo gũtũma mũtumia agĩe mwana.
Tugaga na gĩthũngũ, every pregnancy is a risk nĩ ũndũ wa mathĩna mwanya mwanya. Nyũngũ ĩyo no ĩrekanie thigiro ũcio no ume mbere ya mwana aciarĩtwo.
Tũgathoma hamwe ũhoro wĩgiĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩrathĩnia mĩrĩ itũ. Nawe mwĩroreri tũgakũhe mweke wa kũũria ciũria ciaku.
Are you ready? Because it's games time. Nĩ hĩndĩ ya mathako. Timu yaku ĩrĩa wendete mũno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Cemanagia na athaki arĩa ngũthi na arĩa marĩ iheo. Ukireherwo ni Uncle G na Esther Shiko, athaki njorua akĩrĩ ndumo ya iharo-inĩ. Tabarĩra njerũ cua ĩrĩa ũrĩiguaga maũndũ onawe ũgakena. Nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 7 nginyagia thaa 9 thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ndumo ya iharo-inĩ gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Twacokereria mwĩroreri wa Kĩheo TV kũnyita ũgeni kĩrĩka-inĩ ĩrĩa kerĩ, na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ aikari na ene mĩgũnda 2,000 arĩa maikaraga rũnyanjara-inĩ rwa nyamũ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Parbamet kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Narok nĩ matũgĩrĩtio nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra mĩhang'o ya kũirigwo gwa kilomita 400 na nĩguo kũhekania nyamũ cia gĩthaka. Makĩaria mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kĩrugũrio kĩa thenema cia marĩa maturigicĩirie thukuru-inĩ wa ũgendi Masai Mara, anyiti itemi nĩ makenereire ikinya rĩu makiuga atĩ nĩ imwe ya iria igũteithĩrĩria thĩna gatagatĩ ka andũ na nyamũ, na ona gũkorwo ĩkĩgucĩrĩria agendi na kũgacĩrithia sekta ĩyo.
Umuhimu wa kuzindua filamu hii ilikuwa moja kuwaonyesha wananchi na wenyeji ama wenye hii nchi ama ardhi hii, our landowners, safari ambayo tumekuwa tukitembea pamoja. Lingine ni kwamba Pardamat ni eneo tengefu ili wenzetu nje ya sehemu zingine za hifadhi waweze kufuatilia na kuweza kufanya vile tulivyofanya katika Pardamat, kwa sababu kuna haja sana kabisa kuweza kupanua sehemu zetu za uhifadhi kulingana na mpangilio la Mara ecosystem. Tuko bado chini kwa maybe a third of what we should secure for the Mara ecosystem to be healthy.
And we are here at the Wildlife Tourism College of the Masai Mara to celebrate and to honor the community members that have made this possible. It's a big group of landowners who has voluntarily signed up the land to allow wildlife corridors through the areas where they live together with the livestock, which of course is dangerous. And they do this in the belief that they can secure the wildlife but at the same time benefit from it. So we provide fixed leases, we built jobs for the youth, and we have fundraised for this college, which hopefully can train and educate the next generation of Kenyan leaders to take care of your incredibly beautiful and important wildlife.
na riboti yo igukorwo gituithiraniria kiheo kabiro ithaa riri tugieka riko cikihanda wega thaa imwe tugucemania o haha tugikumenyithia maria magutinda makihanika ngatho cia mwanya ni tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithui na hamwe na aria othe magikorwo manyitirire mwaro gutigira no twamukira na njira igwete tuma na mwerekeri wakwa niwe Peter Gachara na kwiria wakorwo akiri mwena wa gukorwo agi stream live gutigira no twamukira na njira igwete tuma na Yvonne Kamande muhuri wakwa wa bica etago MC Keheheji wa Gitawa nake mutwathiriri na njira ciko etago Vivian Wagici ni jetagwo Wangari wa Kimani gakwendithiria muthenya mwega na urothie na mbere na kwa